friends, I'm back with a new story. And today's story name is Magical Powers. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's begin today's story. Once upon a time, there were 4 friends. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There were 4 friends. They all 3 were very intelligent. And among these 4, 3 friends. Who knows the magical powers? The 4th one did not know the magical power, but he was very intelligent. That's why they 4 are best friends. We are friends, we are friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, we are friends. We are friends, we are friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they all 4 were best friends. And do you know the first friend who knows how to make skeleton of the dead animal? Then the second friend knows how to make tissues, muscles, skin, hair from the dead animal. Then the third friend knows how to give life to dead animal or dead thing. And the fourth one did not know any magical power, but he was intelligent. Now one day they all 4 friends were talking that we should prove our magical power. We should test of our magical power. After some time, they all saw one dead lion in a forest. Now all friends became happy that now they can do their experiment on this dead lion. So the first friend, what he did? He kept all the bones together. And then he made a skeleton of a lion. The second friend, who kept all the muscles, tissues and skin, hair, everything and make the lion's body ready. Now the third friend, who want to give life to this lion, and he started chanting mantras. But his fourth friend came there and said, wait, my dear friend, wait. Don't use this power, please. Do you remember? Our master said us, we have to use this powers very wisely. If you use this power on lion, lion will become alive and he can kill us. Don't use this power. But the third friend said, no, I have to prove myself. I have to see my magic will work or not. The fourth friend said, wait, my friend, let me climb the tree and then you chant your mantras. Now fourth friend sat on the tree and he was watching what will happen with my friends. And then his friend started chanting his mantras. And after that, suddenly the dead lion became alive. Wow! And furious lion. He ate all the friends one by one. The fourth friend, he saved his life. Do you know how? Because he didn't know any magical power, but he was intelligent. He had used his common sense. And so that he could able to save his life. So what is the moral of the story, kids? Common sense is more important than the knowledge. If you like my story, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Again we'll meet on next Friday. Till then, bye-bye.